At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for an artist involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Research the requirements and regulations for forming an LLC in your state or country. Each jurisdiction has its own rules regarding LLC formation. Consider consulting with a lawyer or a legal advisor who specializes in business law to ensure you understand all the legal implications and requirements. 2. Choose a name. Choose a unique name for your LLC that reflects your artistic brand. Make sure the name is not already in use by another business in your state or country. Check with your state's business registry to see if the name you want is available. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization, sometimes called certificate of formation or similar, with the appropriate government agency in your state or country. This document typically includes information such as the LLC name, address, registered agent, and purpose of the business. There may be a filing fee associated with this step. 4. Designate a registered agent. Most states require that an LLC designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the company. The registered agent can be an individual or a company authorized to do business in the state where the LLC is formed. 5. Create an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, profit distribution, and other important details about how the LLC will be run. This document helps clarify the rights and obligations of the members, owners, of the LLC. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your specific artistic activities and location, you may need to obtain certain permits or licenses to operate your business legally. For example, if you're selling artwork, you may need a sales tax permit or a business license. 7. Set up an EIN. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business and is used for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 8. Open a business bank account. Once you have your EIN, open a separate bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is important for maintaining the limited liability protection that an LLC offers. 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. After your LLC is established, make sure to comply with any ongoing requirements such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and renewing permits or licenses. 10. Protect your intellectual property. As an artist, your intellectual property, artwork, designs, etc., is valuable. Consider trademarking your brand name or copyrighting your original works to protect them from unauthorized use. Remember, while setting up an LLC provides limited liability protection, it's still essential to conduct your business responsibly and ethically. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.